Hello, this is Field Day Station Sock Bowling. Here are the rules, if you want to look at them real quick. I'm going to read them. So first you want to take 10 empty water bottles and set them up in a triangle shape like bowling pins. Then you will use rolled up balls of socks as bowling balls. And ages 8 and younger will take 8 steps from the water bottles, like this. Stand here, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And ages 9 and older will take 12 steps. And basically, you'll take the socks and you just roll them at the water bottles, like, not like that, like that. And you want to try to knock as many water bottles down as possible. So I'll show you one more time. So real quick, I just wanted to show what the pins should basically look like. You'll have like 4 in the back, then 3, then 2, and then 1 at the very top. So I'm going to show you again how to play. So you take the socks and you want to roll them like a bowling ball. Roll them, and I still had one, but that's basically it. So this was Field Day Station Sock Bowling.